Today's deep dive into one of the most revolutionary advancements in virtual reality, the Meta Quest 4. Now, if you thought VR was something reserved for gaming or tech enthusiasts, think again. Meta Quest 4 is changing the way we interact with digital worlds, offering a truly immersive experience that goes beyond anything we've seen before. Stick around, because you won't want to miss how this game-changing device is reshaping the future of VR. Now, let's start with the basics. What is Meta Quest 4, and why is it creating so much buzz? Simply put, the Meta Quest 4 is not just another VR headset. It's an all-in-one VR system that doesn't need to be connected to a computer or console to work. This means you can step into fully immersive virtual worlds anywhere, anytime, without being tethered to wires. This level of freedom in VR is something we've never experienced before, and the Meta Quest 4 is making it a reality. But what's under the hood? Let's talk about the performance. The Meta Quest 4 is powered by an upgraded chipset that delivers faster processing speeds, smoother graphics, and a more responsive experience than ever before. Whether you're playing games, watching movies, or exploring virtual environments, everything looks and feels more fluid. The graphics are crisp, the textures are detailed, and the frame rates are smooth, making it feel like you're stepping into a world that's as real as the one around you. But that's not all. The display on the Meta Quest 4 has also been improved. The resolution has been bumped up to give you sharper, more vivid visuals that make every experience more immersive. Whether you're diving into a virtual reality game, exploring distant galaxies, or simply watching a 3D movie, the Meta Quest 4 makes sure that you're completely surrounded by stunning visuals. And with a wider field of view, you get more of the virtual world in front of you, adding to the realism. Now let's talk about comfort. One of the main concerns with VR headsets has always been comfort. No one wants to feel like they're wearing a heavy, bulky device on their head for hours at a time. The Meta Quest 4 addresses this by being incredibly lightweight and ergonomically designed. It fits comfortably on your head, even during extended gaming sessions or long virtual explorations. With adjustable straps and a balanced design, the Meta Quest 4 stays snug without causing discomfort, allowing you to fully immerse yourself without distractions. And speaking of immersion, the Meta Quest 4 is equipped with advanced spatial audio technology. This means that sound doesn't just come from a single direction. It's 3D, moving with you as you move through the virtual world. Whether you're in a video game or exploring a virtual environment, the sound will follow you, creating a fully immersive audio experience. It's like being inside the action, hearing every footstep, every explosion, and every whisper as though it's happening right next to you. But let's not forget the controllers. The Meta Quest 4 comes with redesigned controllers that offer better ergonomics, more precise tracking, and an overall more natural feel. The controllers are intuitive, with improved haptic feedback that lets you feel what's happening in the virtual world. Whether you're swinging a sword, shooting arrows, or simply interacting with objects in your environment, the controllers respond with real-time feedback, making your actions feel more real and connected. The Meta Quest 4 also offers room-scale tracking, which means you can move around in your physical space and have that movement reflected in the virtual world. This opens up so many possibilities, from interactive